So I told you about that complement now. Do you remember that?
Ma'am, what did you start? Just now I joined.
We have not done anything. I'm just starting. You remember yesterday I told you how to add one. You remember that thing?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
many of you remember? And Shanmuga Priya, you were not there yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Shanmika Priya, what we did yesterday, we learned sometime if we don't have bead in lower portion, so how can we add the numbers? By taking help of 5. Okay. So now I'm going to share screen. In every class, you have to write the complements. Okay. So you know already what you have, what the heading you have to put, right? 5's complement. Okay. And here complement, 5 complements. So I told you, friends, who is a friend of 1? Tell me. Very good. 4. Who is the friend of 2?
3.
Good. Very good, Sanvika. Who is a friend of 3?
2.
And who is a friend of 4? 1. Now, if we don't have bead in lower portion and we want to add 1, what we have to do? Plus 5 minus 4. Speak with me. Plus 5 minus 4. That means we will bring down 5 and we will remove 4. So plus 2 plus 5. Very good. Minus 3. Okay, for plus 3 plus 5
Minus
2 plus 4 is equals to plus 5 minus 1. You remember all the things. Very good. So now we are going to do questions related to this topic only today. Okay. Today I am going to give you homework also. Once you finish, please let me know.
Ma'am, do you have to write that? Ma'am, I'm done, ma'am.
You have done?
Yesterday only I completed it, ma'am. Should we write them?
Yes, in every class you have to write the compliments. Even I'll be giving for you in homework also that you have to write the compliments. Okay. In every class you have to write compliments.
Ma'am, I wrote this in the before class, ma'am.
What? Yes, I know. But in every class you have to write it again and again. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Done? Very.
Ma'am, I'm writing.
Right. I'm giving you time.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Very good. All of you have done?
No, ma'am.
No problem, no problem. Take your time and do it.
Ma'am, I'm done writing.
You're done writing. Very good. So, I hope all of you have finished your work.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Very
Not
good.
done, ma'am. Not done, ma'am.
Not done. No problem. No problem. I will work according to each and everybody. Don't worry. Finish your work and take your time. I'm waiting. Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Done.
Pass.
Very good. Very good. Shanmuga Priya, have you done? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. And who is left? And yesterday I told you double digit also. You remember that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. To minus and plus. Yes, ma'am.
Those questions also.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Done? Okay.
Ma'am, today is another big class.
What?
Ma'am, I also finished.
You have finished?
Ma'am, when is another class on Saturday? When is that day?
Wednesday. Now you will be having your next class on Wednesday, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So now, wait.
Ma'am, we're going to have classes on Wednesdays and Saturdays only, right?
No, Wednesday and Sunday.
Wednesdays and Sunday.
Wednesday and Sunday. Actually, I'm having a problem now on like Saturday. That's why. Okay, now I'm going to give you questions. So you are ready? Everybody, you have written? You are ready for the questions? Sure?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
very good. Okay, so now I'm here showing you book. Okay. And this is the book which I have already given you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So here I'm just taking out the page which you have to do today. Okay.
Okay. What
Yes.
page is it, ma'am?
I'm telling you, and I'll be telling you the page number in homework also. Okay. Now I'm going to give you homework in every class, right? Okay. So we are doing this page number. If you have the printout of the book, do you have the printout? Wait. How many of you are having printout? Very good, Suhas. Very good. How many of you are having printout? If you are having, that's great. If you're not having, then no problem. Vikas is having. So those who are having the printout, I'm just telling you, open page number
Where will find that book?
21 on Google Classroom.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. If you don't have the PDF, if you don't have the printout now, don't worry. I'm just sharing the book on the screen and you can see the question from there. Okay. But again, no problem. If you don't have no problem, I'm showing you. Don't worry. Yeah. So I'm just showing you questions. Fine. And from there, you would be doing questions. Shanmukha Priya, for you, I'm telling you, suppose if you don't have bead in lower portion, all your beads are occupied, then you take help of 5 and you bring 5 down plus 5 and you remove 4 minus 4. All of them, they have done enough practice with me. So they will be able to do. If you find any question difficult, you will let me know. Okay. So this is put the heading. Okay. Don't write complete questions. Put the heading page number 21. That's it. And start doing questions. You have to do questions only. You don't have to do that. Like, you know, you don't you have to write questions. You just start doing the questions and start solving these. Okay.
Should we write the upper one questions also?
No. In the book only. If you have the book, so after the class you can finish the work. You can write compliment and friends. But right now you start solving question by using your tool. Okay, and I'll be giving you 4 to 5 minutes. Start doing your work.
Do we have to write it or do we have to use a tool?
You use the tool and start doing this question. Start
Using
reading the question and start doing it on tool. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
We have to write it and we have to do it on
Question. Don't write question. Don't write question.
I completed first row.
Very good. Very good. Just read out the question from the screen and try to get it print out as soon as possible.
I completed in the We have to write the answer in the book and do it on the scale also.
No. You just write the answer in your copy, okay? Read out the question from the screen. Write the question in your copy as the way you do it all time.
Mom, I don't understand the.
Everybody knows how to solve the questions in every class. Yeah, who is saying?
Mom, I don't understand this fourth one, fifth one.
Who is saying this? I cannot see you on the screen.
Mom, I completed second row.
Okay, good.
Mom, I don't understand the second one because 4 plus 1 plus 2. There's no space for 2.
Okay, wait.
First one, you
Question.
explain me.
One by one. Actually, I'm not getting that who is asking the question. First, tell me your name, okay? Because I cannot see all the student on my screen when I share. Purvika, which question you want? Tell me. Which question, Purvika?
First one.
First one.
First one.
First one, huh?
Yes.
Oh, anybody else who was asking question?
Ma'am, I have last row to complete.
Very good. But I'm asking about doubt now. That please tell me if you have doubt.
Ma'am, how to do fourth question?
Okay, I'm telling you. Wait. See, when I make you understand now, focus carefully, okay? Can you see the tool behind me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm just stop. I will stop sharing my screen. The first question is 2 plus 2 plus 1. Listen. The first question is 2 plus 2 plus 1. See? 2. Now plus 2. Okay. Now we don't have bead now. What did you write for 1? How can you add 1? Purvika, you tell me.
Upper one. 5. Add 5 and remove 4.
Yes. So plus 5 minus 4. Answer is 5. Any other doubt? Somebody was asking me. Any other doubt?
Ma'am, I'm Hadika. Ma'am.
Okay. See, look. Those have, listen to me very carefully. Those have completed now. If you have completed, please, right now, don't tell me because I'm taking the doubts and in between you unmute yourself and tell me, ma'am, I have completed. First, let me take the doubt. Any other doubt? Again, I'm sharing the book. Wait. Ask if you have any doubt in any question. Somebody was asking me fourth question. 4 plus 1 plus 2.
Ma'am is Yadia, but I already found the answer of the
Got
question.
it? Got it? Okay. So I hope, how many of you have done? Now tell me how many of you have done. Hardik, you have done. And
I completed before.
good. And only
Ma'am,
Hardik.
Gayatri completed.
Gayatri completed it. Yes, Srimedha.
Ma'am. Completed, ma'am. In the first row, the first. Ma'am, I cannot.
Srimedha,
How
wait,
to do fourth question?
wait. If one child is speaking now, you have to wait. I cannot hear all the questions now at one time. So try to understand. Srimedha was already speaking. Yeah, Srimedha, tell me.
Ma'am, in the first row, the fourth question, it's saying 4 plus 1 plus 2. So, how do we add 2?
See, Srimedha, look. This is 4.
Yes.
Srimedha, you tell me how will you add 1 in 4? First tell me.
Yeah, I know.
Tell me.
But we have to add 5 and we remove 4.
Plus 5 minus 4. Right? Now you have 4 beads available. When you remove 4 beads are away now from value bar. So now you can easily add 2. See?
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. And yeah, if you have completed, send me in chat box. I'm reading the messages. Got it, Shrimida?
Got it, ma'am. Supposed to complete.
I know you are going to face problem. Angel, are you getting it?
I am getting it, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, Samrika completed 3 rows. Should we write 4th row?
Yes, you have to complete all rows. Wait, I'm sharing the book again. You have to complete this page.
Ma'am, can you show my answers?
25 questions. You have no. We'll match the answers. Wait. And listen, I want everybody to get the book, please. Get the printout. Okay.
Ma'am,
You
I got the printout.
print out of the book along with 1 copy. Okay. Print out of the book and 1 copy. These 2 things should be
What I'll do is that from the next class,
What?
since in the next class we're going to do page number 22, I print out that one, and then for the next other class, that time I'll print out page number 23 like that.
No, get it one time, na? Get it done at one time only. Have complete book. Okay, because now I'm going to give you homework. Today I will give you page number this 22 homework. Right?
Okay, got it.
You have done?
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Done?
Done.
Okay, so now let's match the answers. Fine?
Ma'am, I'm not done. No,
Okay,
ma'am.
do it. I'm waiting for you. Don't worry, I'm waiting for you. Do it fast. See, that's why. If you would be having book now, so those who have done fast, I can give you more questions. That's why I want this book with everybody. Call Manoj sir, he would be helping you how to get the book, okay? I have uploaded it already. What happened, Arush?
Ma'am, I am completed.
Okay. Good. Do it fast. I hope you have done.
No, ma'am.
No, do it fast.
Ma'am, we can wait for 1 minute.
Yeah,
After
sure.
that, we can do.
Sure.
No, I'm done.
Done.
Today we will do that game.
No. Today we are not going to do any game.
ఏమండి ఫ్యాన్లో ఈ మెటీరియల్ ఉంది వాళ్ళు మెటీరియల్ ఇచ్చారు అది ప్రింట్ తీయించాలి మీ షాప్ లో తీయడం కుదురుతుందా లేకపోతే బయట తీయించుకోవాలా పీడిఎఫ్ ఇచ్చిందా అది తీయించుకుని ఫైల్ చేయించుకుంటే వీళ్ళు అందులో ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేయాల్సి అసలు తీయించేసుకున్నాడు ఎక్కడ తీయించుకోవడం రేపు తీసి తెచ్చారు నువ్వు అందులో డైరెక్ట్ గా చేస్తున్నారు అందరూ
Yeah. Advika, do you have the printouts?
What, ma'am?
Do you have the printout of this book?
No, ma'am.
Why?
I'm writing in rough notes. That's why.
Okay, but I want you to get the printout, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So now I hope everybody is done. Let's write the answers now. Let's match the answers, okay?
Not done, ma'am.
Okay, instead of, you are not having the book now, so I cannot go with the, like, I need to tell the answers. Okay, so first question is 2 plus 2 plus, it's 5. No, let me change it. Yeah,
Class, I am done, ma'am. Ma'am, it's 9.
I know everybody has done.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Good. Now match your answers.
In our copy, ma'am, I'm doing it in my copy. I
So you
have the printout,
Now,
but I can't.
Shrimedha, in your copy you have written answers, na? So match
Yeah.
your answers.
In my printout.
Do you have printout?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so I'm continuously asking if you have printout, then open page number 21 and do the question there.
But ma'am, I'm not done right.
Okay, if you are not done, you can write your answer after that. But if you have printout of the book, do this work in the book, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So match your answer. All correct?
All correct. All correct, ma'am.
Good, very good. No mistake. How is it possible that
All correct, ma'am.
getting any mistake? How is it possible?
Ma'am, can I write it? Ma'am, actually, in my abacus, if you
Everybody mute yourself.
all are correct. Ma'am, should I write in the printout?
I'm not going to give you the right. You cannot unmute yourself unless until you show me your hand that ma'am, I want to speak. Okay? Because you unmute yourself all together. Anybody is there who got any answer wrong? And I hope you are doing it on tool, okay?
Ma'am?
Yes, Shrimedha. Yes.
Now do you have to write it in a printout?
Yeah, write in your printout. If you have the printout, do it in the printout because many of the kids are not having their printout now. That's why they're writing their answer in copy. Okay? Yes.
But ma'am, I have the printout and I wrote in my copy.
No, if you are having printout, then why are you writing down in copy? I have given you this book. See, why I am asking you to keep a copy with you. Sometime I give you extra questions. Okay. I cannot give you each and every thing now. Because I take question from different set of books. So you cannot get the printout. How many printout you will get? That's why I share the screen. So for that, you write your answer in copy. And for this book, which you have, if I'm doing with this book, you have to do in book. Okay. And most probably I will follow this book in the class also. Got it?
Ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am, I got it.
Those
So
are
next
heavy book. Open page number 22. And don't try to move ahead, okay? You have to do work with me. Clear? Start doing page number 22. Those are having book. Write your answer in book. Those are not having the book.
Ma'am, in
Write
the
answer
printout,
in
I
the
don't
copy.
know.
See the question from the screen and answer in the copy.
Ma'am,
Okay.
should I do in printout now?
Yes, do it in the printout. Open page number 22, Shrimeda, and start doing your question there. And everybody get the printout before next class. I want you to have this book. Okay?
Ma'am, on top of the questions, there's something we have to also do it.
No. Do you, Satvik, you have your book? Show me.
I have a rough note. I don't
No,
have.
then don't. No. If you have books, so after the class, you can do this work. You have to write the friends and you have to write the compliments, okay? But if you are not having the book, then no problem. You just start doing the questions. Read out.
Ma'am, when I go to the page, I see the page, but nothing I can write with for the answers.
How is it possible? Wait. Let me make my screen bigger. Who is saying this? Now tell me. Who is,
Srimeda.
where is
Srimeda.
Shrimedha? I cannot. Shrimedha. Wait. You start your video. Yeah. Show me your book. Where is your book?
My book is in the Google Classroom. Abacus Google Classroom.
For 1 minute, you were saying that you have the printout, Shrimedha.
Yeah, I have the printout, but I have no idea how to write the answers on it.
Video, Shrimedha, start your video. Start your video. Don't switch off your video. Start your video. Now show me your printout. Where is your printout? Wait. Vikas, show me your printout of the book. See, look at Vikas. He is having the printout. Look, see, this is the book he is having. Now show me your printout like this.
Ma'am, my book you send it in the Google Classroom.
No, Shrimedha, this is what again and again I'm saying. You have to get the printout of that book, which you are
I
class.
didn't get it, ma'am. I didn't get it. I didn't get the book.
You have the printout, then write the answer in copy. You cannot write answer in Google Classroom.
I completed this page also.
Very good, Hardik. You cannot do the work in Google Classroom. You have to take the book. You have to go to this cafe or any place from where you have to get the printout. And after that, you would be doing work. See, 2 kids are having book in the class. Arush is also having. Arush, show me your book. Arush, you are having the printouts now of the book.
I don't have printout.
Who was having? Suhas. Yeah. See, Suhas got the printout. Look, this is how you have to get the printout. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
The questions.
Gayatri completed, ma'am.
Okay, Gayatri, very good. Try to do it fast. Good, good, good.
Done.
I'm going to take your test also. Okay, that how to add 1. Once I will finish the complement of 5, I'm going to take the test. Is it clear?
Ma'am, you will keep testing wise up or you will ask questions orally.
You don't worry, I'll be telling you.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't worry.
And Sanpriya finish.
Finish. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. All of you do it fast. Do it fast. Very good.
Ma'am, I just not started. I'm in the first round.
No problem, no problem. I'm waiting.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Done, Shriya. Very good. I hope the concept is clear to you, everybody.
Yes, ma'am, finish.
Good.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Sanvika, you are done.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Very good. Great. Do it fast, everybody.
Ma'am, this is another page.
Very good. Very good. Yeah, this is page number 22. Good, Sanvika. I can see your work.
Okay, ma'am.
And Sanvika, get the printout also, okay?
Ma'am, can you show my work?
Wait. Actually, I cannot see all the students. When you name, then I find you.
In next class, I'll get the printout.
Very good, very good. And who was asking, ma'am, you can see my work? Arush, very good. Very good, Arush.
Can I show my work?
Yeah, Hardik, show me. Very good, very good. Good. Now, today we have done +1 practice. Okay. So in the next class, I'll be giving you questions of.
Ma'am, I'm not done.
Shrimida, I'm waiting. Don't worry. I'm just talking to you. Okay. You keep doing your work. I'm just talking. So in the next class, I'll be giving you question of 10 rows. You got it? 10 rows questions.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm gonna show you my work.
You have done your work?
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Great. Angel, good. So Shrimeda is doing, I think all of you have done. Purvika, are you getting it?
Not done. It's not done.
Okay, Satvik, I'm waiting. Don't worry.
It's not done, Purvika.
Purvika, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Advika, you have done?
Yes, ma'am, already.
You have done? Gayatri and Vikas, you have also done? Good.
Not done.
Okay. I'm waiting for those who have not done. Now, if you will have a book now,
Not done, ma'am.
no problem. I'm waiting. Don't worry. Focus on your work. Focus in the questions. Okay. Now, if you will be having book now, so those who have done, I can give you next page. Right? That's why I'm telling you to get the printout. You're getting my point? Because if I've shared my screen, I cannot move now till the time you all have done. Shanmukapriya, you have done? Great. Okay, those have done now. Keep your tool in front of you. Very good, very good. Oh, you are writing questions also. Great. Keep your tool in front of you. I'm dictating questions. If because and clear the beads. Ready? Okay. So 3 plus 1. Okay. 3. Satvik has done, but Srimedha has not done. So you let's do tool practice. 3 plus 1.
Ma'am, I'm clearing the tool.
Do it fast.
Then ma'am, they can do even like.
Satvik,
The question you're telling now, 3 plus 1, should we do that?
Yes.
Should I also do that?
yes. 3 plus
Ma'am?
1 plus 1
Ma'am?
plus 2 plus 2. Answer. Great. Great. Very good. You are getting answers. I'm very happy. Okay, next question. Clear the beads. Let's do next questions. Ready? 9. Make 9. Again, I'm telling you, make 9 minus 5 plus 1 plus 3. Answer.
8. 8, ma'am.
8 is correct.
See your screen, ma'am. I can't see your writing.
Writing anywhere. Those who have done, for them I'm telling extra questions. Because some people are doing the work, na? So that's taking questions.
Ma'am,
Yes.
my abacus.
Yes. Shrimeda, have you done? Good.
Ma'am, can you tell the question again?
Yeah, I'm telling you the next question. Don't worry. Everybody clear your beads. Clear your beads. Telling you the question. Make slip.
I didn't finish.
Okay, you finish. Purvika, you have finished.
No, ma'am.
Purvika, you are taking too much time. You need to increase your speed.
roll.
You need to increase your speed, okay? Are you writing all questions?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't have to write questions, Purvika. You have no. That is why you are taking time. See, all of them just write their answers. They read the question from the screen and do the question on their tool, and they just write the answers. Hardik, show me. Show Purvika how do you write your answers. See, look, Hardik. Hardik is writing only answers. That is why they are doing the work fast. You don't have to write complete question. You have to read the question and you have to write the answer. Okay? Yeah. So,
Look at mine.
yes, very good, Srimedha. So, Purvika, you have done or you have not done as of now?
Ma'am, I am in second row.
You are on second row. Do it fast. Do it fast. Don't write the question. Just write the answers. Okay? Yeah.
Ma'am,
Done?
ma'am, the one we're seeing right now is the one that we're doing homework, right?
Yeah, but I am not giving you homework. I will give you previous pages. Srimedha, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now clear the beads. Everybody clear the beads. Clear the beads. Okay. 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 minus 3 minus 5 plus 3 plus 1.
5.
Very good. Your answer was correct. 5 is the correct answer. Do it again. Do it again. Yes, yes, yes. Do it again. Good. Okay. So, 7 plus 2 minus 5 plus 1 plus 1.
6.
You are doing your question from the book or you are doing the question I'm dictating? They all have finished their question from the book. That is why they're doing practice with me. Okay. Yeah. Now, next question. Clear your beats. Make 23.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I didn't understand last question.
Okay, no problem. Do this one. Do this one. Okay, everybody make 23 plus 5. Answer.
28.
28 is the 28 is the correct answer. Very good. 28. Okay, beats clear. Beats clear. Yes.
But if the answer is 20, you told 23 plus 5.
Yeah, I see. This is 23. Okay. I have added 5. Now, what is the answer? You tell me.
28.
This is what everybody is saying. 28 is the answer. Beats clear, everybody. Beats clear. Let's do next question. Okay. So, make 34. 34 minus 3.
I'm 31.
Okay. Now, we are doing-
31.
yeah. First of all, let's match the answer of page number 22. Match the answers. And keep yourself mute.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Wait, I'm telling you. Just let me write the answer. After that, I'm telling you doubt.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
All correct.
Your doubt.
All correct.
Okay, okay.
All correct.
Okay. Who was asking the doubt?
Correct.
Okay, I know.
Advika.
Advika. Rest of you will be on mute. Only Advika, you unmute yourself. Only Advika.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Advika, now tell me your doubt.
Ma'am, in the first question you can see 2 plus 2 plus 1. In my abacus it is coming as 9, then Wi-Fi.
Advika, make 2. Make 2. Plus 2.
All are correct.
Okay, I'm talking to Advika now. Don't unmute yourself. Advika, now how will you add 1? What is the complement? Tell me. You have to
Ma'am,
speak.
ma'am, we should bring the upper beat means 5 down.
No. Again and again, I'm telling you, if you have to add 1, what is the complement? Plus 5 minus 4. And this is what you have to speak. Plus 5 minus 4. Yes, Advika, what is the complement? Tell me.
Ma'am, plus 5 minus 4.
Yes, plus 5 minus 4. Now do it on your tool. Now what's the answer?
5.
Got it? Yes. Okay. So now everybody listen to me. Yeah, all correct, all correct. Write in message. Because if you speak together now, I cannot hear anybody. And from the next time, I will keep you on permanent mute. Okay? Yeah. So now listen to me carefully. Again and again, I'm telling you one thing. If you add 1, don't say bring 5 down, remove 4 or take away 4. Simply you have to say plus 5 minus 4. Okay? What you have to say? Plus 5 minus 4. Keep yourself on mute and speak with me. I can read your lips. Plus 5 minus 4. Speak. Satvik, you are not speaking anything. Say plus 5 minus 4.
Plus 5 minus 4.
How to add 1? Plus 5 minus 4. Never say bring 5 down and take away 4. We will remove 4. No, this will reduce your speed. What you have to say plus 5 minus 4 simply. Okay, for plus 2, speak with me. Plus 5 minus 3. Yes. How to add 2? Plus 5 minus 3. Okay. For plus 3, plus 5 minus 2. Speak with me. Plus 5 minus 2. Again, plus 5 minus 2.
Plus 5 minus 2.
Yes. For 4, how to add 4? Plus 5 minus 1. Speak with me. Plus 5 minus 1. I can see Shanmukha, Advika, Purvika. You all are speaking plus 5 minus 1. Plus 5 for how to add 4 plus 5 minus 1. Is it clear?
Ma'am, what are we doing?
Who is asking this thing?
Angel, ma'am.
Okay, Angel, we are revising compliments. You were not there, I know. We are revising compliments. You don't have to say bring 5 down, remove 4. If I'm asking you how to add 1, simply you have to say plus 5 minus 4. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, you have to read out the complement plus 5 minus 4. Okay, now I'm giving you homework. So you note down your homework. I'm telling you which page you have to do. Wait. The book I have given you, you have to do page number 11, 12. Page number, wait, I will write on the board 11, 12, 19, 20. Wait, you can now, you will get confused in this. 11, 12, 13, 14. Wait. Homework. Page 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay.
Ma'am, I done 18 pages, so they are completed.
So you don't have to do any homework. Okay.
Ma'am, we should upload the homework in the Google Classroom.
No. We'll match the answers in the class only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, because it is not written work, na. See, don't take abacus as a subject. Again and again, I'm telling you this thing. This is an activity. Don't think it is a subject. Don't take any burden from my side, and especially in my class. I'm not going to give you so much of homework, so much things to learn. I will never give you. Whatever you have to do with me in the class. Okay? It's not a subject, it's just an activity. Right?
Ma'am, you can tell some questions.
Who is saying this? I hope you have written homework, page number 11, 12, 13, 14. And I will write this in the group also, okay? 11, 12, 13, 14. Now keep your tool in front of you, everybody.
Okay, ma'am.
And did you see the video I have sent in the group? Did you see the video? Yesterday, I sent your video in the group. You were doing visualization, na? So I have sent your video. Okay, yeah. So now let's start doing question on tool. Clear your beads. 3 plus 6 minus 5 plus 1. Wait, nobody will tell me the answer. Advika will tell me the answer.
Mama, I'm getting the answer 9.
Why are you getting 9? What was the compliment, Advika?
Ma'am, because you didn't has gotten in the 10th place. So I was doing.
Wait, we are not going to move to 10th place, Advika. We are just doing on 1's place. We will
That
not
only I am doing.
see. You were having 4 now. You were having 4. When I said plus 1, what's the complement, Advika?
Plus 5 minus 4.
Do it on your tool. Plus 5 minus 4.
1.
Is it 1?
Yes, for me it's coming.
Is it 1?
It's 5.
Yeah, so answer is 5.
Okay.
Why are you getting confused? Now you will give me the next answer only. Beats clear? Next question. Ready? Okay, 6 plus 3 minus 5 plus 1. Advika, answer.
9.
Why 9? See, everybody is getting 5. Satvik, no, it's not 9.
Ma'am.
When I say plus 1,
Ma'am.
to bring 5 down, plus 5 and minus 4. You don't subtract 4. Am I right?
Yes.
Look here. We can do it with me. 3. Make 3. Everybody make 3. Now plus 6. Minus 5. Right now you are having 4. Now plus 1. Plus 1. What's the complement? How can you add 1? Plus 5 minus 4. Answer.
5.
Yes. Now I'm not going to help you again. Do it. Beats clear, everybody. And Shanmuka, very good. Sanvika, very good. Beats clear. Make 9. Make 9, Advika. Yes, I'm observing you. Make 9. Minus 5. -2 +2 +1. Now what's the answer, Advika?
Ma'am, 5.
Yes, now you got it. I think you were not, Advika, you were there in the last class. Yesterday you were there.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm going to focus on you. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Now I'll be ending the class today. Okay. And I hope you will be having printout next class on Wednesday. Come with your printout, with your book and copy and tool. Okay. Okay. Now I'll be ending the class. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye, ma'am. Bye. You are not in classroom. Bye, friends. Ma'am.
Yes.
Bye,
Send
ma'am.
in a WhatsApp.
Ma'am, Wednesday I will
Bye, ma'am.
join 8 to 9, ma'am.
WhatsApp
Wednesday,
group.
no 8 to 9. Wednesday there's no 8 to 9.
Ma'am, send it in book.
Which book you have? Are you there? Are you there on Google Classroom, Purvika?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Ma'am, this is Shanmukha Priya's father.
Yes,
Actually,
sir.
he is going some additional classes in her school, so she wants to shift from the